What's up, everybody? It's Ben from Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2003 Suzuki Marauder 800. It is the VZ 800 model. Has the 805cc motor and the 5-speed transmission. This bike is carbureted, so it does have the choke on the side and the fuel valve. But let's walk around this bike real quick. So we got the rear tire here. There's a decent amount of life left on this rear tire, but it's gonna need to be replaced after a little while. Should have passed inspection though, no worries there. Got this rear light, got a little bit of a mark here on the rear light. There's a few marks on this bike. We got some marks here on my finger, there in front of my finger, there's one, and there's two. Just there are chips in the paint. I do not know what caused them. It's kind of a weird spot, but the bike runs good, so there it is. Here on the side, there's some marks here on the chrome. I have a feeling you could probably polish that out. I did not try. There is this side fender. There's a mark there right at the top of my finger. And there's also some markings here. Kind of see that on the video there a little bit. There's your rear wheel. Look at the rear tire already. It does have Cobra pipes on it. They are looking a little worn. I feel like maybe this bike might have lived outside. Not that it's beat, but it's definitely has some marks and it's been ridden. Does not look like it's been down though. There's your passenger peg. There's your rear shock. Side panel. Looks pretty good. There's some marks in there on top. A little bit hard to see in the video, but there's some light scratching in here on this side panel. Air cleaner box, everything in the motor is looking good. No oil leaks or anything mechanical to report. There is the Cobra logo on the Cobra pipes. There is your passenger pegs, your passenger peg, rider pegs, and rear brake. They do look like they are the forward controls. Something to know if you were buying this bike. Tank is looking pretty decent, not a lot of marks. There's some light bubbling up here on top, which we'll look at a little bit later, but nothing here on the side, really. There's your ignition, got your mirrors, levers, all that stuff. Does have a windshield on it, so it'll be nice for if you need to ride a little bit longer distance. The windshield is always nice for that, taking that pressure off your chest. Headlight does have the front bag here, as you can see. Latches down. Fork tubes are looking to be in nice shape. No rust or pitting or anything like that. There is your front wheel. It does have the big disc there, just a single up front on the front brake. On this front fender, there's some more of the same. There is a mark right there at the top of my finger, similar chip as we saw in the back, and there's a scuff right in here. It's a little bit hard to show in the video, but this nose piece is looking pretty good. There's a mark right there. But again, it's not beaten, but it has some chips on it. That's the nature of this beast. This front tire's got plenty of life left on it. We'll definitely pass inspection. See the thing on the other side here. I'll spin it around. There is the tire from this side and the wheel from this side. You see the fork tubes again, looking pretty good. No marks or anything. There is a little bit of rust on this bracket here, but that is not a structural bracket. Just holding on these little marker lights. There's your mirror and grips, lever, all that. Here's your rider pegs on this side. There's your shifter. Again, you can see it does have the extension for the forward controls. Tanks on this side is looking pretty good. Again, get a good shot here of the motor. Everything is looking pretty clean. No oil leaks or anything like that. You can see it all. It is a chain drive bike. There's your passenger peg. There's the chain going back to the rear wheel. And there's that side cover, looking pretty good. Some light scratches on that too. There's a mark here, a little bit of like, not sure what that is, like a little chip. The chain looks to be in pretty good shape. There you can see the chain guard. There's your rear shock. There's the back fender where we started. There's the back of the sissy bar. Got the passenger seat, all in one piece into the rider seat. On the top of the tank here, there is some light bubbling right there. You can see the top of my finger. Actually, you can see it there a little bit in the reflection of that light. There's another one right there at the top of my finger. Not chips, but maybe something to get checked out if you're gonna pick this bike up. There you go. Handlebars coming across. There's your gauges across the handlebars. This thing has 15,440, at least 6 miles, looks like. Getting ready to turn one over. But it's a good running bike. This would be a great bike for you. Don't miss out on the test drive that Sean does. And let's fire it up. Whoop, maybe not. Maybe you gotta have to. So you can hear me talk. Comes right to life. No battery issues, doesn't spit or sputter. It runs pretty well. Let's check the signals, make sure the signals work. Oh, I got 4 ways there somehow. Let's hit that. I'm gonna hit that. All right, just getting 4 ways. All right. There's your front signal on that side. There's your rear signal on that side. I'm not getting both. Alright, well, that's the nature of this bike. This is a 2003 Suzuki Marauder 800. Don't miss out on the test drive, and thanks so much for watching. Catch you guys later.